Hello, Caroline at Premier Fitness. Today I'll be taking you through an 8-exercise upper body workout. We'll be doing 8 exercises, as I said. It will be 12 repetitions for each exercise. This is meant to be done twice, but I will do it with you the first time, and then you can watch again to do it again. We're going to start with lateral raises, 12 reps. Just make sure you don't go above your shoulders. I warmed up before this, so make sure you always are doing a warm-up and a cool down. I know sometimes I don't do a warm-up in these videos, but make sure you do that before you get started. All right, we'll take a little break in between. I have my water here. Make sure you always have your water. Staying hydrated is important. Our next exercise is going to be front raise. So we'll do 12 of those. Again, not past the shoulder. Good job. Our next exercise is going to be side bends. So we'll do 12 each side. So we're just going to bend. I'm going to grab some water. To get you ready for the next exercise, it's going to be bicep curls, 12 of them. All right. Good. All right, that's 4 exercises down. We have 4 more to go. This one I'm gonna sit. This is a seated tricep press. 1 weight. Make sure you're isolating those triceps and just using those. Good job. Next exercise will be a incline bench press. So you'll have your bench on an incline, and we'll be doing 12. Good. All right, 2 more exercises. I'm gonna put this bench down. Maybe I will. Okay, next we're going to do one-handed rows. So you just need 1 weight and put same leg, same hand down, and you have this row. And I'm gonna switch. Good job. All right, our last exercise is going to be chest flies. So you can do them bent over and standing this way, or you can lay down on your bench or lay down on your floor and do them. So again, this is meant to be done twice. So you can take a little bit of a break, then you can go through again. If you want to do it 3 times, that's okay too. Just again, as I said earlier, make sure you're warming up before, and then cool down, do some stretches afterwards, because that's really good for your body. So thank you so much for joining us. Have a good one.